What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need cod fish, potato rolls, American or cheddar cheese, chives, fresh dill, shallot, lemon, an egg, flour, sugar, capers, dill pickle spears, beer, or if you prefer not to use beer, club soda, mayo, Dijon Mustard, Creole Seasoning, Cayenne Pepper, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to start by cutting the cod into fillets about the size of the bun. Next, we're going to pat the fish dry. Season the taste with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Then flip and repeat. Place your fish to the side and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Let's prep for our tartar sauce. Dice 2 dill pickle spears. Finally, dice some capers. Dice 1 shallot. Finally, slice chives. Finally, chop fresh dill. Now it's time to make our tartar sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, diced pickles, 1 tablespoon of capers, diced shallots, 1 tablespoon of chives, fresh dill, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Season the taste with salt and pepper. Whisk until combined. And there you have it, homemade tartar sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour. Season the taste with Creole seasoning. In a separate bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of flour. Season the taste with Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add an egg and whisk. Add about 12 ounces of beer. The goal is to reach the consistency of like a cake batter. Be sure to get all of the clumps out. If it's too thick, add more beer. But if it's too loose, add a bit more flour. Coat your fish in flour, followed by beer batter, and then fry immediately. Be gentle because it will fall apart if you're not. Fry at 365 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden. Next, we're gonna spray mayo on our buns and toast in the skillet. Now it's time to put it all together. To your bottom bun, add a slice of cheese, fish, tartar sauce, extra tartar sauce if you like me, and your top bun. And there you have it, McDonald's Filet-O-Fish. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.